Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. All right, so I have been traveling a ton. I am back now and ready to grind it out for the rest of 2022. I really hadn't taken as much time off as I have taken recently. We haven't stopped trading. I mean, the room is the room, but just, and if you don't take enough of it, I would suggest that you take some time and just kind of reset your batteries as traders. Basically, this is the most time I've probably taken off in 15 years. And it wasn't even a matter of shutting down or unplugging or anything like that. Just a matter of, just taking some time, trading a little bit, time with family, trading a little time with family, travel here, travel there. It was nice. So anyway, enough about me. Let's talk about the market. So we are bleeding to the upside. The last time we talked, we were talking about the 100-day, the 50-day trying to be support. That's the red line. 100-day trying to be support. You can see it based there. They took out the 9. They took out the 200. We're up there for 2 going on 3 sessions. So they're just bleeding it to the upside. The bears have blown every single key moving average on this chart. And we are starting to head to the upside. The 9-day is crossing the 200 here. Look, there's still plenty of things going on in the world, but as markets do, markets adjust to that stuff, absorb it, and ultimately move forward. Now, I think it's still going to be a two-sided market. I think that I have no expectations of returning to the highs anytime soon, but I do think that there is a little bit of performance chasing that's going to be baked into the end of the year. I think you're starting to see a little bit of that now, and we'll see how this goes. Hourly chart, you got the new weekly pivot here, 42.25 half. The bears have to do a hell of a lot better job than they did last week, where they kind of dealt with it a little bit Tuesday into Wednesday, but when they lost it Wednesday morning with what was it, CPI? They never got it back. So CPI popped it and they ran. The bears really need to close below the weekly pivot today. Or not today, I'm sorry, this week. They need to close below the weekly pivot this week to give themselves a better chance at moving things back down at least towards that 4120, 4080 area that had been multiple areas. We talked about 4080 the last time I was on. It was 3 or 4 tests at 4080. Lift it up and go. Key areas on the 5, you've got hourly midband, basically 42.67, volume weighted average price, we'll call it 42.63. Our proprietary moving average is sitting right now at 58. 5-minute mid is at 55. It's been down to that 49 area. It's been steadily down through Globex. So you've got to wonder if they're just walking it down into the bell to lift it up over the top. It's fine if it tests that hourly midband at 66.67, but if the bears are going to get it done today, that area needs to hold as resistance. It needs to push back down. Bottom line. All right. That's all I've got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Come check out the room. Come check out the room. All we do is teaching people how to trade and producing every single day. And if you want to learn how to do this stuff with a really solid group of people, let's go. It's time. We're heading into the fall. September, October are 2 of my favorite months to trade, always have been. And I would love to have you guys in the room with us every day. Take care. Trade them well. We'll talk tomorrow.